A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are fit and fine. Children, today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 8, Internet Services. In this chapter, we will learn about accessing information on the internet, email, chat, video conferencing, blogs, web feed, social networking, cyber safety, e-commerce, e-learning, and cloud computing and storage. So, without wasting your much time, let us start today's class. Open page number 116, chapter number 8, Internet Service. Before we start the today's topic, let us quick review about Internet. The full form of Internet is International Network. It is a worldwide network of computers where we can communicate with each other to share the information and receive any information. Or you can also define Internet is a worldwide network of computers that hold large amount of information. The use of the internet has grown tremendously over the past few years, and it has become an important part of our our daily life. Means from the beginning of the internet till date, internet has grown tremendously during these days. Now it is a important part of our day-to-day life. Internet was used first time in 1969. The Department of Defense of USA. The Department of Defense of USA set up a network of 4 computers called the ARPANET. Right? Means Internet was first time used in 1969 by the Department of Defense, and this department set up a network of 4 computers called the ARPANET. ARPANET, ARPANET. The full form of ARPANET is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. The main objective of ARPANET was to create a reliable communication network for the US military. In 1979, it combined with a non-governmental academic network called the Usenet News, which later came to be known as the Internet. From 1979 till date, the Internet has come a long way. The reason for the ever-growing use of the Internet is the various services that it offers. Let us learn about the various services that make the Internet so popular. The first service is accessing information on the Internet. One of the important advantages of the Internet is that it allows you to easily access information from anywhere and anytime. Means you can access information which is available on the Internet from any part of the world and at any time. There is huge amount of information available on the internet on a wide range of topics such as news, books, product, technology, job vacancies, healthcare, weather, entertainment, etc. This information is stored in the form of text, pictures, and videos. Right? The search engine on the internet helps us to search and find information on any subject that you need. Means search engine helps to the user to find out information on any topic. So what is a search engine? Search engine is a software that search the web page for information on a particular topic. Means search engine is a types of a software which help to the user to find out any information about any topic, right? The topic on which information is required is specified in the form of keyword. The topic on which information is required is based on the keywords. So what is a keyword? A keyword are the words and phrase that you type into search engine to find what you are looking for, right? Keyword are the words or group of words that you type into search engine to find out what you are looking for. For example, if you are looking to buy a new jacket, then you might type some word like leather jacket into Google. So leather jacket is a keyword to find information about the jacket. It is very easy to use a search engine. How we use search engine? Let's see. First of all, open any web browser. After opening web browser, type the address or the URL of a search engine in the address bar. This is a address bar. Type here address or the URL of a search engine. What is the URL? The full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator, and it is a web page. It is the address of web page. URL is the address of the web page. For example, of URL is www.discovery.com, www.nationalgeographic.com, right? And after typing the address or the URL, press enter. Then home page of the search engine appears, right? For example, I am using Google Chrome, and after typing the www.google.com in the address bar, this screen will be open. The second step is type the keywords related to the information you are looking for in the search box and press enter. This is the search box. Type the keywords which is related to your which is the related to information which you are looking for, and press enter here. For example, I am looking famous monuments of the world. So I type here famous monuments of the world. This is a keywords, and after typing the keywords, press enter. Then the next step is this one. A list of links to web pages containing the required information is displayed. You can click on these links to access the information on the desired topic, right? After typing the keywords, then a list of links to web pages containing the required information which is related to your keywords is displayed. You can click on these links to access the information about your topic, right? The first link to the most relevant match that is found. These are the links. The first link, the most relevant match that is found. The first link which is appear on the page, this one. So the first link is most relevant match of your keywords. The second link is the second most relevant match of your topic, and so on down the list, right? Means the first link is most relevant match of your topic, second is second most, third is third most, and so on down the list. Next topic is spider or web crawl. A search engine makes use of a software called spider or a web crawl to search for keywords and the address of web pages. Means spider or web crawl is a software which is used by the search engine to find out the keywords and the address of the web pages. Let's take an example. If you want any book which is related to the maths, from the library, then what will you do? First of all, you go to the library and ask to librarian about the book. After that, what will your librarian do? Librarian go to that section where the maths book, where he or she kept the maths book, and after that he search the he search the he search your books from the almirah or cupboard. If your book is fine, then he took the book and gave it to you, right? In the same way, spider or web crawl work. When you type any keyword, then uh, spider search that keywords in the library of the internet. You can say library of the internet, and when the content is matched, then he display on the screen, right? I hope you understand. I repeat once again. Spider or web crawl is a software which is used by the search engine to search or find to search any keywords or address of the web pages. It is Next topic is indexing software. What is indexing software? A search engine make use of indexing software to creating index of information. Indexing software is the software which is used by the search engine to create index of information. This index helps in retrieving the required information quickly. It is just like index page of your book, right? The index in your book helps to find out the page on which topic is mentioned, right? In the same way, indexing software is also create the index of the information which is available on the internet. And when you perform a search, the search engine make use of search algorithm to search for the keywords in the index list, right? It is very useful. All the information available on the internet is index form. When you type any keywords, search engine check the index. Firstly, check the index. If the index is found, then he display the information to you on the screen, right? I hope you understand. The next topic is email. Email or electronic mail is one of the most popular uses of the internet today. It is a system for sending and receiving text message, graphic, sound, and videos through your computer. It is basically like writing a normal letter and sending it through the post office. Only it is a fast, inexpensive, and convenient. Email is just like your normal letter which you send through the post. Only difference is that it is a fast, inexpensive, and convenient, right? I repeat once again. Email is one of the most widely used method for exchanging message on the internet. If you want to use an email service, then you must have an email account, right? If you want to use an email services, then you must have an email account. Every email account is identified by an email address. An email address consists of a username and a domain name. Email address is a combination of a username and a domain name. The username and domain name are separated by the symbol @ right? Username and domain name are separated by the symbol @. For example, this is a example of an email address, right? In this email address, this part is a username, and this part is domain name, right? Email can be used to send textual messages as well as greeting cards. There are many sites that let you send greeting cards through email. Advantage of email. The advantage of email are low cost. It is very cheap to send an email as compared to the cost of sending a letter by post or through a courier. Right? Next advantage of email is speed. Email is much faster than ordinary mail. It can reach any part of the world in a fraction of a second. This is the reason why ordinary mail is now referred to as the snail mail. Next is convenient. Sending and receiving an email is very easy and convenient. You can send an email from anywhere around the world. Files of any type can be sent as an attachment to an email. The received email is stored in your account and can be accessed as and when possible. Right? Next advantage of email is waste reduction. Email helps in reducing the usage of paper. This reduces the cutting of trees to a green extent. Right? I hope you understand. This is the enough for today's class. Watch the video again and again. Okay.